Hello guys, welcome to my channel Node Developer. In this video, we are going to see how to create app bars, and there are two types of app bars basically: top app bar, bottom app bar. Top app bar is basically across the top of the screen. Bottom app bar is the across the bottom of the screen. One by one, I'm gonna show you how to implement those app bars. So let's create a composable function, and I'm gonna name it as app bars. So one app bars, and inside these, let me show you how to create one by one all the types of app bars. Okay, so in there are four types of top app bars: the small, center aligned, medium, and large. And I'm gonna show you one by one each. First, we need to create scaffold. Let's import it. Top app bar, top bar, and simply inside this you need to create top app bar. Simple function, nothing. App bar, we don't need this. We need to opt in and just simple. Inside this top app bar, we gonna create colors. We provide the colors, and which are top app bar defaults dot top bar colors. And inside this you can provide container color. I'm gonna provide container color as color dot blue, and title content color equals to color dot red. So simple. Now you also need to provide title here as in the which we are going to show on the top app bar. So this is our text, and this is our small top app bar. Just import it, and there it is. And here you can provide any type of content, whatever you want. So I'm gonna just show you the text actually. Let's create a column, normal column, and let me copy the item which I have in this scaffold, which I showed you in previous video. So let's just copy it and paste it here. Okay, let's leave it this as this is. Remove this. Now if I run this, and first you need to call the function from this main activity. So app bar, let's run this. Okay, so now you can see this is the small top app bar, and this is our text, and this is the content basically. Now this is the top app bar, this is the small type of top app bar. Now we're gonna create some another type of the top app bar, which is the medium and center align. So first I'm gonna create the center aligned top app bar. For center aligned, for creating that type of top app bar, you just need to remove this and create center aligned top app bar. Simple. And other than that, center aligned top app bar, here I'm gonna provide overflow as text overflow dot ellipsis max lines equals to 1. So the text should be in the one line, not in the maximum two lines. So that's it. And now this is the top app bar, and central line top app bar. Now what we need is the navigation icons. So I'm gonna provide the navigation icon here, and show to the top app bar. I'm gonna create it simple, so not much actually. So this is our icon, and I'm gonna just import it. Icons dot filled dot arrow back, and after this navigation icon we gonna provide actions. So these also, and I'm gonna provide simple menu. Now if I run this, so you can see this is our arrow icon which is in the back, and this is our simple. And if I change the color also, I guess I should have to tint color dot make it white actually. That's good. Or you can change the top app bar color. Okay, so simple. You can do that also. You can do other thing also. This is deprecated, so you need to change the icon with the mirrored arrow back import. That's also something. So you can see this is the word. Now it looks fine. So yeah, let's just copy and paste it here also, so that it looks also good. Now it is looking fine. So center align top app bar, which is the title should in the center, and this is the back button, back icon, navigation icon basically. So to go to the back, and this is the menu icon, hamburger icon basically. So you can change it as per your need, whether it is make it as per your custom icon. So yeah, that's it. this is a central aligned, and before that this is small top app bar. And one thing I should do actually, so yeah, let's the whole, or I can just yeah, simple central align toolbar. Now for creating medium top app bar, you just need to change it to the medium. That's it. The size is gonna change, nothing else. Simple. If you look at this, now let me show you how it's gonna look like in this. Everything is same. Now you can see this is the medium. So this is actually not somehow, some in some cases you can use this, and some you don't need to. And this is the medium. And now if I show you the large ones, and then you can use also the large tool, large at top app bar. Waiting, some problem, no, I just didn't import it, no problem. So this is our large top app bar. Okay, some size changes, that's it. Now let's see bottom app bar. For that I'm gonna create another function, composable function bottom app bar. Sample. Simple. So how we gonna create the bottom app bar? Simple. Just simply create scaffold, and inside this scaffold just provide bottom app bar. Bottom bar, the content is going to be the same, so let's just copy it. Bottom bar, bottom app bar. And in this bottom app bar I'm gonna provide actions. So here you can create some actions, which is some icon buttons. Obviously just show you the icons, simple, nothing much. So this is check, this is edit, this is a mic icon, or you can make it some other also. Let's have check, edit, settings, and share. Now let's run this by calling the bottom bar sample. Now let's run this. Now you can see these are the icons. So now you can also just simply align these icons as per your need, like using the spacing, using the container, using all of these. So inside this you can use composable and provide this composable into this, or you can just simply provide the icons and use some modifiers to make it look like an aesthetically good. These are our bottom app bar, this is our top app bar. Let's just put this together, simple, and run it. Yeah, that's it. So that's the app bar. So basically app bars, these are the containers that provide the user access to key features and navigation items. And I showed you the two type of app bar, and which is top app bar and bottom app bars. Top app bars have four type of app bars. Bottom bar is just a simple one, there's nothing to implement into this. So yeah, that's it for this video. Click like button if you like this video, click subscribe to my channel, press bell icon, share it with your friends. If you have something to share, feedback or something, that